Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything we search a meaning, every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time. Keep fighting, even if you drift and fall. Look down, mountain still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back. Keep fighting. Research, 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 research,
Hi guys, nandito na kami. So, we check in at Sheraton Waikiki.
This toilet sprays your booty hole.
Really? You know what? Is this the one that I think they just
yeah?
just upgraded their room?
So you have to do wiping?
They have a
What is it?
dryer for your butt. Look at
Wait.
the buttons.
Oh, it's cute. Take
Let
a
me
video
see.
of this one.
And there's different settings. There's user 1 and 2.
Yeah, I heard. You know what? They just upgraded their room, some of the room, but not all. So this looks brand new.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's funny. So, pagod na pagod ako from the flight. Kasi may stopover pa kami sa Maui. Tapos, Diyos ko. Daddy, can you leave it open, the room?
The amazing? Yeah.
So, I request this,
You want ocean and diamond?
ocean plus the diamond head.
Kumami ko. No.
Ang ganda, oh.
Orito.
Ang sarap mag-relax. Na-miss ko ang beach. Love it.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything we search a meaning, every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time. Keep fighting, even if you drift and fall. Look down, mountain still stand tall. Believe yourself.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view. Nasaan yung dome ni Daddy? Okay, how you want me to take a picture?
I don't really need a picture.
Come on, I want to take a picture. Come on. Who's Daddy?
Yeah.
The sky if you keep looking down, and if you take the wrong way, and maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know
You gotta go farther than that.
that you're in the
I'm talking
don't stay looking out the window. And
Walang tao, man. Nobody here.
you plan on going
Yeah.
nowhere,
Go.
afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you
Good tree.
should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going?
House exposure.
Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too.
Good morning, guys.
But it's hard
It's breakfast time. In-order ko continental breakfast. Pastries tsaka fruits. Tapos si Habi in-order niya is pancake. Ang laki ng pancake na yan, Dad, ha?
Eat.
And Melody. Okay, hinintay namin yung order ni Melody. Ang ganda dito. First time namin kumain dito.
First time we stayed in this.
And yeah, first time naman. No, I mean we've been here so many days.
First time we've been to.
We were gonna eat here yesterday, but we decided to go to the, like, what you call that one? Like a express breakfast.
Yeah.
Kasi gutom na kami eh. Late kaming kahapon. Bumangon.
You want to try?
Actually, nagpalipad din kami ng drone ngayon. So, ang ganda ng drone footage natin, ha, Daddy? Ang ganda ng place. So, ito yung hindi ko lang makuha ng sandali. Ito. Ayan yung ocean view. And that's Melody's order. Ang laki naman ng omelette, baby. Ang dami pang bacon.
Okay, don't be shy. Whatever you can eat.
I don't think she can even eat half. Maybe 1/4 lang.
Which one's mine?
Which one is mine?
Mommy wants some too, right? Mommy.
I'm gonna try.
Just the mommy.
I cannot even finish my food now, look.
hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care.